Mr. Ziner.
Thank you. Good morning, Senators. Did you know that the retail value of all hemp products sold in North America in 2016 exceeded $1 billion, and that less than 1% of that was produced from hemp grown in North America? Meanwhile, Canada, which imported over $25 million worth of hemp fiber, the actual fiber itself, from Europe and China, also imported over $20 million of finished hemp products. My name is Robert Ziner. I'm the founder and chief executive officer of Canadian Industrial Hemp Corporation. Thank you for your invitation to be here with you today. Although seed is currently the best-known hemp product in Canada, it is only one of the 3 products derived from the hemp plant. The other 2 are fiber from the stalk and the non-psychoactive CBD oil extracted from the flowers and leaves. Adding value to the stalk by converting it into fiber is what I am addressing today. Although a large-scale industry for processing stalk into fiber has not yet been established in Canada, this industry is already thriving in China and across Europe, generating over $1.3 billion a year in combined sales. These regions of the world never made growing hemp illegal, allowing the industries there to just keep developing proprietary technologies and value-added opportunities. Significantly, these offshore fiber producers rely on inexpensive labor to justify their low operating margins. There was 200,000 tons of stalk created across Canada in 2017 from the seed crop. 200,000 tons. And over 90% was either burned in the fields or disposed of at a cost equaling 10% of the farmer's entire seed crop revenue. It was all wasted. The potential value which can be added to 200,000 tons of stock is over $200 million. Converting stock into fiber is a huge profit opportunity, and fiber has been converted from stock for literally thousands of years. However, the reality is that Canadian labor costs eat away the profit available in traditional hemp fiber processing facilities. And low volume production in a labor-oriented environment cannot fulfill the needs of commercial end users. The result is that not only can Canada not export hemp fiber at this point, its operating scale and quality are so low that its own existing producers must buy from overseas to ensure consistent supply. Canada has 3 comparable advantages. 1, from a North American perspective, Canada has had legal hemp farming since 1998, giving us a head start. However, with the recent passage of the hemp bill in the U.S., the Americans are coming. 2, Canada is uniquely positioned to have a world-beating hemp fiber industry. It has 94 million arable acres of land and currently only grows 100,000 acres of hemp. Number 3, Canada is known as a world leader in artificial intelligence, AI development, machine learning, and high-tech agronomy. Canada's top 2 comparable disadvantages to be overcome are: 1, the fair wages paid in Canada are too high to economically justify stock separation, known as decortication. 2, the 5 existing stock processors in Canada, and there are only 5, are small-scale operators, able only to generate low margins and therefore cannot afford to invest in automation and automated quality control. What will it take to be competitive in Canadian as well as global hemp markets? Simply put, Canada will need to become a low-cost, high-quality producer of hemp fibers, regardless of our labor costs. And more hemp will need to be grown, And the way to do this is to motivate the farmers to grow hemp only for fiber in some cases, which will end up delivering them the highest revenue of almost any crop grown in Canada for the fiber. Canada needs to pursue state-of-the-art hemp fiber processing facilities using 21st century advanced manufacturing and intelligent.
It's true. Hemp was a major food crop and fiber.
Because they look at the production of oil as being